Hi, my name is Elliot and I am part of the education team here at Kent's Cavern. Right now, there is only one site in the world with evidence of 3 different human species occupying it at any point in time, and that's right here at Kent's Cavern. People have used this cave as a place to shelter during the Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic eras. That's the Old, Middle and New Stone Ages. The first evidence of humans in this cave comes in the form of hand axes made from flint. It's thought that there used to be some sort of camp outside of the entrance to this cave, and during periods of heavy rain, mud would wash into this cave, bringing with it things that were left behind from that camp, including these hand axes. It's believed that they are over 500,000 years old and belong to an extinct species of human called Homo heidelbergensis. Homo heidelbergensis we know from bones and other artefacts left behind in other sites throughout the UK and Europe that they would have been a similar height to us, but they would have been a little bit stockier. Looking at the skulls, you can see that they had very different facial features to modern humans that we know today. The second species of human to live at Kent's Cavern were called the Neanderthals, and again the evidence of them being here comes in the form of flint tools. A broad range of flint hand axes were found in this cave, showing the different styles of stone tools that Neanderthals made throughout time. Again, looking at their skulls, you can see some major differences compared to a modern human. This brow ridge going across the top of their head, the wider nasal opening and the bigger jaw and teeth. These are traits that might have helped them to survive during the last ice age. It's thought that they would have had a similar sized brain to us, but the focus of their brain would have been more on eyesight and the other primary senses. The last humans to live here were Homo sapiens, and that's our species. Everyone alive in the world today is a Homo sapien. Homo sapiens living in this cave brought with them much more sophisticated tools than just flint hand axes, but also spearheads and arrowheads and tools made from bone and antler. They also left behind scallop shells with a burnt material inside, so we know that they must have used them to contain fire in the cave. The earliest evidence of modern humans living in this cave is this. It's a small piece of human jawbone found in 1927 on top of the slope where I'm stood now. It dates back to around 42,000 years ago, and it's the oldest evidence of Homo sapiens ever found in Britain, which means that our earliest ancestors lived in and around this cave in Torquay before they lived anywhere else in our country, making us Britain's oldest home. So to summarise, people have been living in this cave throughout the Stone Age. The first people to live here were Homo heidelbergensis, the second were Neanderthals, and the last species was ours, Homo sapiens. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.